Hello guys, if your iPhone battery maximum capacity is low, then you can increase it using a battery fixer. As you can see right here, it is a special iOS app in which you can increase your iPhone or iPad maximum battery capacity to your battery last longer. So in this video I will show you how it works, and then I will uninstall it and I will download it again to show you the whole process of downloading battery fixer into any iOS devices. So if you need to increase your maximum capacity into your iPhone battery, then you need to watch this video till the end, and I will show you the whole process of downloading the battery fixer. So how it works: as you can see right now, my current capacity is 81%. Let's check it in settings. As you can see here, battery health, maximum capacity 81%. So let's increase it with battery fixer. It is very simple. All you need to do is to click fix capacity and it will start working. It might take a couple of minutes, but we will see. Okay, as you can see, 82%. Let's give it a little bit more time. Maybe I will speed up this video to show you how it works. Okay, so now it's done, as you can see. So let's check the settings, and as you can see, maximum capacity is 95%. So for now, let's uninstall this battery fixer, and then I will install it again to show you the whole process. So all you need to do is to go to your browser, go to this website bluedeals.club. As you can see right here, bluedeals.club, and find here battery fixer. As you can see, iPhone battery fixer mode. So click here to download it, and the process should take a couple of seconds. Okay, as you can see, preparing download. This is the site bluedeals.club. Downloading package installer. It will take a couple of seconds, so let's wait. Installation in progress, and it's done. So let's check if it installed or not. As you can see right here, battery fixer is installed on my device. So in my case, it increased into 95% of maximum capacity into my iPhone. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and have a nice day. Bye.